Alright, what is up, people? Today, I'm gonna play Mad Skills Motocross 3. It's loud. Alrighty, loading in. I'm probably gonna hit the Germany tracks, so... God. Probably gonna do flying low, then climb and fall. Alright, let's do this. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. But absolutely shred this thing. Alright, shred it. Ah, dang it. Alright, I'm gonna restart. Alright, on the whoops. Boom. Ah! I keep trying to land a little back whip. I've done it many times, but just can't do it on the end. Alright, one that, let's do going down. Sorry, my brother's playing a video in the background. Probably climb and fall. Oh, God. Okay. Tried a wheelie at the start. Didn't end well. Okay, how the front flips like defy the laws of physics in this game? And kapow. Little front lean. Try to hit a whip up here at this big jump. Alright. Nope. Okay. No. Oh, that was a pretty bad wheelie scrub. Just cased it right at the front. Oof. Okay, I don't really want to do front flips. By the way, I'm probably going to do a snow vlog tomorrow. And I'll get a little bit of riding on my e-scooter before I head into the snow. Because it's said to snow at 2 p.m. I live in Virginia. So, yeah. Alright. Alright. Get a whip up here. Alright, let me try the back whip when I get... Back whip. Back flip combined with a whip. No. Yes! Alright, I need to land this thing like smooth though. Ow, ow. Okay, that looked like a rough crash. I'm going to stop recording. See y'all tomorrow.